We will learn the delta and the star pattern. If an resistance is arranged in a triangular form, this is called a delta pattern. And if a resistor is formed in a Y inverted Y, it is called star pattern. Delta pattern can also be in this form. And star pattern can also be in the T format. So sometimes star pattern is also called T pattern. Suppose we have an arrangement of resistor in the delta pattern. Resistance will be R1, R2 and R3. So we are converting into the star pattern. Star pattern is suppose the resistance of the star pattern be RA dash will be RB dash and will be R2 dash. So equivalent RA dash resistance will be product of the adjacent resistance. Here it is R1 and R3. So RA dash will be product of the adjacent resistance divided by equivalent resistance of series combination. Equivalent resistance in series combination. So it will be equal to R1, R3 divided by equivalent resistance in series combination is R1, R2 and R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, RB dash. What will be the equivalent resistance of RB dash? RB dash will be equal to product of adjacent resistance R1, R2 divided by sum of the resistance. And R3 dash will be R3 dash is here. So this is R3 dash. It will be equal to R product of R2, R3 divided by sum of equivalent resistance in series combination. So now let's learn how to convert a star into a delta pattern. So if we have a resistance arranged in the star patterns, that will be R1, R2, which is the R2. So what will be the equivalent resistance in the so that will be R dash will be RB dash will be R2 dash. So the equivalent resistance R dash is equal to product of adjacent resistance into equivalent resistance and parallel combination. So let's find first equivalent in parallel combination. Equivalent resistance in parallel combination will be, you know that in parallel combination is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1 R2 R3. So this is equivalent. Suppose now let's find equivalent resistance in delta problem. So R dash will be R dash is product of adjustments. Here the adjustment is this one. So it will be R1 R2 into equivalent resistance is R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1 R2 R3. R1 R2 gets cancelled, so it becomes R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R3. So this is the equivalent resistance. So similarly, R D dash will be equal to, so we have seen the pattern, it will be same R1 R3 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R2 dash, opposite is this one R1, R3 dash will be equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R3 dash, opposite is this is R2. So we have found out the equivalent delta transformation. Now let's solve an example. Examples. So suppose we have an this is terminal A, this is terminal B. All the resistances are, so we have to find the equivalent distance between the terminal AB. So let's solve. In this we have seen that first look here. This is a delta pattern. So we have to convert this delta pattern into star pattern. This node are same. So let's convert. Since these two are node are same, let joins this here. So let's equal these two with R dash, RD dash, and RC dash. So this is delta 2 star transformation. So this redraw. So this RA dash, RA dash will be equal to this RA dash will be equal to product of adjustment this one. So R1 into R1 divided by sum of distance with series. So it become R square by PR with it R by B. All the RA B dash is equal to R B dash equal to RA dash or G equal to R by B. So we can convert this. So now this has been transformed to this pattern. Important to note that this is not connected. Only this is connected. And here this is connected to this position of the connect this to this. So we have converted it. This is terminal A, terminal B. Now also connect the resistance R. We have transformed this. So it is the R is still R is still this level R is still. Now if we look at this is a series combination. This is the series. So equivalent will be R plus R by 2 equal to 4 R by 3. So we can redraw it once again. It will become this is 4R by 3. So this now this is R by 3. This is connected to this. This is connected to this. This terminal and this is again this. So this is R. Now again we can found that these two things, this is the delta. So we have to convert it into star. So that will be RE dash. Once again, this term RE dash, RE dash and RE dash. So RE dash will be good. First, for the sum of the series sum will be R plus 4 by 3R and this is R by 3. This is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 1 R equal to 3 by 3R. So RA dash will be RA dash is this is equal to product of resistance R equals 4R by 3 divided by 8 by 3R. R cancel, 50 cancels, it becomes R by 2. Now RB dash, what is RB dash? This is RB dash, so it is equal to R into R by 3, R into R by 3 divided by 3 by 3R. 3 cancel, 1 R cancel, it becomes R by 8. Now R3 dash will be equal to, this is R3 dash, so product of resistance 4 by 3R into R by 3 divided by 8 by 3R. So R cancel, 1 3 gets cancel, 0 over 2 will become 1 upon 6R. So again we can redraw this. So if we redraw the circuit, it will look like this. This is A. We start from A. This is R. So this comes to here. Now this is RA dash. RA dash equal to R by 2. Now here this is RB dash. This is permissible. RB dash is equal to R by 8 and RP dash. This RC dash is equal to 1 by 6R. So now this is connected to this and to this 2 distance R by 3. So if we simplify in a presentable way, it will look like this. This and this are connected in series. 1, 2, 3 are connected in series. So we can draw. So here it's here. This was this point. So this is R by 3 and this is R by 6. So this is here. Now this is connected to this. So this is there. It is connected to this terminal R by 2 and from here we have connected from this R by 8 with B. So this is a simplified drawing. So now this is a series. It will become R plus R by 3 equal R by 6 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 minus equal to and R equal to 3 by 2R. So this becomes 3 by 2R. This is R by 2, R by 2, R by 2. Now this is in parallel connection. So it will be equal to equivalent parallel connection will be equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R3 which is equal to R1 R2 is equal to R and 3 R by 2 divided by 3 by 2 R plus R by 3. This becomes is equal to R plus divided by 2R. This is 2R. 1R cancel. This become 3 by 8R. Parallel connections. So it further simplifies into 3 by 8R and this is R by 8 is equal to that. Now this is in series. So RAB is equal to 3 by 8R plus R by 8 is equal to 2 by 8R. So simplify into R by 3. So RAB is equal to R by 3.